The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northern Vermilion County, east central Champaign County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ogden, or 12 miles east of Urbana, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near 15 around 4:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Potomac. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 192 and 203.